How you doing? Will, Mr. Clutch Beatty here at McLeod Clutches. Wanted to talk to you about our twin disc lineup. Right here we have our RST clutch. We have our RST-HD clutch. We have our RXT. This is our RXT 1200 or HD. And then we have our triple disc. Okay, with the RXT, this is a dual organic disc. So you have organic friction material on both sides. Where you would use this is up to about 800 horsepower. This is great for a high horsepower daily driver where something you want to use on the street. Perfect clutch. I mean, you would never know that there's a twin disc in here. On the RST HD, this is kind of your in between your RXT and RST. And this one is what I like to call having your cake and eating it too, because it's a mix of material. You have organic on one side, cerametallic on the other side. So excellent holding capacity, and it really does get the job done. And this one's rated at 950 horsepower. Okay, let's move over to the RXT. This one is rated at 1100 horsepower. What's different between the RST HD and RST is this one actually has cerametallic material on both sides. So this is actually ideal for the drag racer, a really enthusiast, someone who's making a lot of power and really using it aggressively. This material works excellent under heat. On top of that, we also offer these in addition with our ringed unit, adapter ring unit. So you can get that in all these different variations other than the triple disc. Okay, moving on to our RXT HD. This is for your serious racer. Okay, this one is, again, same materials we have on our RXT, but this one's rated at 1300 horsepower. This is for your serious guy, like I said. So someone who's pretty much strictly racing, a lot of power, needs every bit of clutch that he can get. Okay, this is the big boy. This is the RXT 3D, 3-disc, 3D glasses. You need those when you're driving around. This one will hold a lot of power. So this is the real McCoy. This one holds 1650 horsepower. Stepping down from here, like I said, this one has a dual ceramic material, 3 of them, 3D. And this is for your serious racer, your serious enthusiast. This one will get the job done, hands down. And this is our McLeod twin disc offering, whether it be from the street or to full extreme performance. This is what we offer. For more information, visit McLeodracing.com. And remember, for McLeod, there can only be one.